Hi everyone. So I'm going to give you a bean update from when we did our greenhouses. You have them growing at your place, but I also have them growing at mine, and I wanted to show you what is time to do now. So they are way too big to be growing inside the bag. So what I did was I took them out of the bag and I am going to transplant them into a little pot that has some potting soil. So that will help them to continue to grow. They'll get the nutrients from the soil. I will also start to water them now, and I'm going to place them in a sunny spot so they can get some sun. So what I'm going to do is I already have my potting soil inside my pot. I'm going to dig a hole and I'm going to push it to the side. So I have a pretty large hole to set my bean in, the roots. So I'm going to put the roots in the dirt, and then I'm going to pile the soil on top, carefully covering the roots. I'm going to pack it down. And I can still see some of my roots. So I'm going to take my bag of potting soil and I'm just going to add a little more over them so they will stay in place. Okay, so that is how you plant inside a pot. It's just like when we planted the seed, except this time we actually have the plant and we had the roots that are now in the ground. The next step will be to cover, to water them. So I have this one. As you can see, this plant already has some leaves growing, which is pretty cool. They're pretty large ones. I also already went ahead and planted, here's 2 more small ones. There's no leaves yet, just the beans. So I want to see if they're going to continue to grow and develop leaves. And then I have a third one. And this one, if you look really close right here, there is a small leaf. It's not as large as this one, but there is a small leaf. So they're all planted in here. I'm going to give them plenty of water and sunlight and watch them grow. So I will continue to update you on how these are growing, and maybe we'll get some beans. How are yours turning out? Let me know. Bye.